Nice cube, Alex. Or they're really low. You're like a sheep, though. You're like a snake. You get a mouse. It's all puppy.
Oh look, there's another public safety coming.
Stop making noise.
They got public safety here. Now they can help us. Where are they? There's one. Aww. You're nice.
Hey look, there's the fire truck.
I forgot my bra. We are here. Turn around. We knew about it before it happened.
Henrietta Fire Department. Good floor. Okay, they're actually telling some people to move back. These are actually the last time not winter time. It was a little bit warmer. Last time it was a little bit warmer. I'm like not happy that that's not going off. Go ahead.
Okay, you're...
Here comes public station number 4. 4 public stations and 2 firefighters go inside one building. You think that's kind of weird? It's not really a puzzle. It's, if you don't know how to cook popcorn, don't cook it in a dorm at all, right? We're lucky it's not 3 in the morning. I have a speaker inside my room, and I didn't know that. Yeah, I have like one of those regular plated fire alarm with that looks like you don't have a speaker, but apparently it's got a speaker in it because it went off in my ears. Yeah, like they're like standing inside that floor, literally. I wonder if the microwave caught on fire. That'd be great. We would like say like, ooh, nice fireworks. What? Yeah. Like watch the whole room explode. Like, ooh, nice fireworks. Public safety number 5. They're coming everywhere. They're coming from everywhere.
It's kind of bored. It's kind of like walking around.
They told me if these 2 towers were to go off, that they're supposed to send a signal to that tower and shut that tower off as well. But I don't see that happening. They had a false alarm last night. Yeah. At least we're not in full human where they get like 6 false alarms in 1 month. That building is warm. Hey look, somebody's got a tiger's balloon in their room.
Oh yeah. They're the good guys.
The alarm's silenced.
Go back in, please. Flashing lights aren't a big deal. Somebody blinks over my head.
I need to buy one.
How long is it gonna flash?
Okay, guys. Okay. It's like a rave. I want to go in.
Yay! That alarm was only 13 minutes long.
Stop.
Please let us in.
They're stretched out now. This is all I got.
They're just gonna like let us stand out here.
I put my sneakers first and I was like, wait, they're snoring.
Yay! We're going